think we're getting some machines on this load. Here at our next pickup, good old Pepsi. The guy, warehouse driver slash forklift. Guy is about to move that day cab so we can back into that dock and get loaded. I'll open these damn trailer doors. It's hot out here. And I think we're getting some vending machines that's heading to Williamsport, Maryland. So we'll see how that goes. Supposed to be around 35,000 pounds, something like that, give or take. And these Pepsi locations, the way how they have these facilities set up is definitely a little bit odd. If you're thinking you're going into the wrong spot, you gotta look at Google Maps a little bit more than usual. Figure out where the hell you're going, because you can't turn into this place from the main street. You gotta take a little back road and make your way over here, even though it shows a sign that no truckers are supposed to head in this direction. You still go past that sign. So it's one of those type of facilities. So let me do this and then back up to that door. So there's some more vending machines right here underneath there. Major semi carport, or I mean, should I say major semi truck, because semis are not cars. We're backing into door 6 right there. And that's a day cab driver parking somewhere else. So got to jackknife it. Don't have that much space over here, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Sure got a lot of wood pallets out here, all different sizes. Let's go. All right. Look, Mom, we got it. When you're over here, you got to bump the dock and pull up just a little bit. Got the green light. And this is the door you enter over here after you check in with the guy at the gate. So we're gonna put this truck in between the tires. Follow their safety protocol. That light will turn red. We will get loaded, get our paperwork, and we'll be on our way to Williamsport, Maryland. 800 something odd miles. Basically a day and like a quarter run. Let's snap our fingers and deliver it tomorrow. Shh, don't tell nobody. Done. Time to throw these straps on. How we got outside so quick? Magic! So we already strapped. Got this other bill here. I don't know why he threw it back here. That's where we going. That's the amount of machines we got in here, and that's the weight. No seal. Let's go. our destination. There's an Amazon building right over there. And Pepsi right over there. I wish I would have caught that animal that just ran inside. If you can see, there's a hole right there and it was running right here along the fence. Not sure if that's the head right there in the corner. Yeah, that was the head right there in the corner. It's a beaver or gopher. See the head right there? Yeah, it's right there alongside the fence. It had a long tail, so I'm thinking it's probably a beaver. What's up, Aminal? Happy 4th of July. I know it's late, but you had any fireworks? Did you see any fireworks? How your family doing? All right, let me go. Door number 1 is down that way. But there's a door right here, so hopefully we can check in at this door. So apparently this place got 2 facilities, and we're at the second one. To be continued. Yada 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 yada. I hope y'all appreciate my singing, because I do. Yada yada yada. That building is right there. Yada 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 yada. There's this little sign we obviously did not see by the tree, but did not know it was this building here. Yada 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 yada. Out with the old and with the new.